In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable above 4G decoding on ASRock motherboards. First, turn on or restart your PC. Then, press the delete key repeatedly while your computer is starting up to open the BIOS setup. You can use the arrow keys to move through the menu tabs. Above 4G decoding only works when your computer is set to UEFI boot mode. So, before you enable it, let's go to the boot menu and make sure that CSM Support is turned off. On most newer motherboards, CSM Support is already off by default. Next, go to the Advanced tab. Move the selection and choose PCIe configuration. Here, find the above 4G decoding option. Press Enter to enable it. When you are finished, press F10 to save your changes and restart your computer. You can go back into the BIOS setup one more time to check that the setting has been enabled correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.